Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about procedures in PLSQL. Already we have discussed functions in PLSQL. There is no much difference between functions and procedures in PLSQL. There is a little bit difference between the functions and procedures in PLSQL. Let us see what is the difference and how to execute the procedures in PLSQL. Procedures or stored procedures both are same in PLSQL. A stored procedure is a self-contained subprogram that is meant to be some specific task. This is the same for the function definition. There is a little bit difference. The difference will be discussed later in this video. Kindly watch the video fully. The procedures are named PLSQL blocks like functions, thus they can be reused because they are stored into the database as a database object. Here also first we have to create a procedure and we have to compile the set of code, that is the procedure name. We have to compile the procedure, and once the code is compiled it is stored into the database as a database object. Whenever we want we can reuse the code, this set of codes, with the name of the procedure. This is a syntax of the procedure. So here also the syntax may be similar to functions. Create or replace procedure. Create means if you're newly creating a procedure means we can use create keyword, or if you're reforming or redefining the existing procedure means we can use a replace keyword. You can use any one of the keyword and followed by the procedure, and procedure name we can give any kind of names. We have to follow the naming rules, and then list of parameters. After the procedure name we can give the number of parameters if you are going to use for the particular procedure. Then is a keyword, we can give is or as. Based upon the SQL server we can give the keyword is or as, both are same. Then declaration statements, we can give the declaration declaring the variables, constants, anything here. The only one difference between function and procedure is, so in function we are using the return keyword, return and data type. But here no need to use the return and data type. So in procedures we just use this syntax alone. After that we can declare the statements. So after the declaration part we can move to the executable section. So executable section starts with begin and ends with end. The in functions we just give end, but in procedure, end with procedure, we should end with the executable section with the procedure name. Inside the begin to end, we can give the executable sections. This is syntax of procedures. Now we can see the one example for procedure. So this is a simple example of procedure. So create. So here also we can, I am newly creating the function. So just create or replace procedure. This is also no, not a matter. We can give create or replace also, or we can give create alone also is applicable. Create procedure, procedure name, we can give any kind of name, and this is a keyword. After that declaration section, declaring variables, we can give declare any number of adding variables and constant variables we can declare here. Here va or underscore name is the variable name. This is the character variable. So the type of data is varchar. The size is 20. So here I am declaring the variable and also initializing value for this variable. So colon equal to, so within single quotes or double quotes we can give any string value, set of characters. Then second variable name is same character type. So this is the variable name, and this is the type of variable and the size of the variable, and colon equal to, here also I am declaring and initializing the value for this variable. So this is the value for this variable and this is a value for this variable. Okay, here I am declaring two variables along with the value initialization. So after the declaration section, we have to move to the executable section. So begin is a keyword to start the executable part, and after that, here no logic I have used here. I'm just printing the value what I have given in the declaration section. So directly we can give dbms underscore output dot put underscore line. This is a keyword to print the value in PLSQL. So within quotes we can give any kind of statements. This is no need. If your no need means just we can give var name and var web space. We can give just a space and ends with semicolon. And end procedure name. This is a procedure name. Here underscore repellent rider is the procedure name. So end procedure name semicolon. So now we are just declaring and defining the procedure, and after this we have to compile this. Once complete this code we have to compile. So once we have compiled, the procedure PLSQL procedure is successfully completed. So like this we can get the output. After that we have to use the procedure name. So this is the result of the previous examples compilation result. So it will not return any result. We just receive PLSQL procedure successfully completed. After that, we can use this procedure anywhere of the program, and any number of times also we can use. So execute the procedure which is already created. So we have already created a procedure with the name of PR underscore Palin writer. This is a procedure name. So in PLSQL server, this is syntax we have for executing the procedure, already creating the procedure. So set server output on is a keyword. So for every execution, we have to give this keyword. After that only we can execute the procedure name. So execute space procedure name. This is one of the syntax. Just this a single line is enough to execute the procedure name, or else exec also enough. This statement also enough. This or this. So any one of the statement is enough for executing this procedure. One more syntax is begin, begin, then executable section, then end. So three set of syntax are there to execute the procedure. So after uh, giving this line, we have to execute this particular line. Then we will receive this output, because we are executing the already created procedure called PR underscore repellent rider. So if you are executing this a statement, it is redirected to that procedure name, and it will return the output is WhatsApp, because within quotes we have give WhatsApp interest. I am Manish. I am. So Manish and repellent rider is the value assigned to the particular labels. This is output we will get. So this is the simple example of procedure. If you want to know more, you have to follow my channel. Thank you.